In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to view sensitive content on Twitter. Now, be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. The most important part of this tutorial is that you're going to have to go onto a web browser to actually do this setting. Now, for me, I'm going to go onto Safari and type in twitter.com. Now, the reason for this is because the setting only shows up on the web browser. Now, I'm not going to switch to the app, so I'm just going to stay on the settings that are on the web browser, and I'm going to log in. Now, once I'm logged in on the web browser, I'm going to click on my profile and click on Settings and Support. Now, you're going to scroll and click on Settings and Privacy, and then once you're here, click on Privacy and Safety. You're going to see an option that says Content You See. Click that and you'll see a message that says Display media that may contain sensitive content. You're going to check that box and that's all there is to it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.